What's the meaning of affirm? Affirm. 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 To affirm means to state or declare a belief, assertion, or fact with conviction and confidence. Affirmation is often used to confirm the validity of an idea or action and to provide emotional support and encouragement. Affirmation can be expressed in various forms, including verbal assurance, written messages, body language, or symbolic gestures. The result of affirmation is typically a sense of validation and reassurance, which can boost one's confidence and motivation to pursue their goals and aspirations. Affirmation is a powerful tool for personal growth and self-improvement.